iXR Lab's stepper motor machine module helps students to identify and locate the different components and also understand the working of a stepper motor. So this is a stepper motor which is inside a virtual lab. We can point at the various parts and drag them aside to get a clear view of all the parts. We can also grab any part so that it comes close and we can move it around freely to observe it from different angles. Now let's click on the separate parts option and all the constituent parts of the stepper motor are spread across a virtual space. We can click on any part to bring it closer and a small description at the bottom describes about the specific part. It also starts to rotate if we keep pointing on it to provide us a 360-degree view of the part. Let's reset the parts and move to the X-ray view of the stepper motor. We get to see a proper labeling of all the parts and clicking on any name makes it visible inside the body of the stepper motor. A prompt below tells us about the specific part that we clicked on. To understand the working of the stepper motor, let's click on the show working option. We get to see an introduction as soon as we click on it, which briefly tells us about the stepper motor. Moving forward, we are presented with stage 1, which is the arrangement of stator teeth. It is done in such a way that it has 2 fewer teeth in the design specification than the rotor. Let's have 50 teeth in the rotor and 48 teeth on the stator. The stator teeth are divided into 4 groups, that is red, yellow, blue and green. Stage 2 is alignment with the magnet, in which the stator teeth groups are realigned. Stage 3 is the supply power stage, where the stator coil is present as 2 independent coil sets. When the supply is given to coil A, it forms a magnetic pattern across it, as one pair acts as the north pole and the other as the south pole. The red teeth will now get aligned, the yellow teeth unaligned and the rest 2 half aligned. Stage 4 is the rotation of rotor, which rotates with a small angle when coil B is energized. Here the rotor rotates by 1.8 degrees. Stage 5 is the second supply power stage, where the set A of the coil is energized again and the rotor rotates by 1.8 degrees. A highly precise motion is achieved by this repeated process.